hello guys, hello everyone. Good morning. Here is your boy DJ Angie Production from Mozambique. Today I do have my tutorial here, and I want to share you the tips and ideas I have used within this instrumental. So this type of beat is made in, I think is made in Malawi. Most of people sing this type of music. So I had to create my instrumental in order to share with you. But if you are new here in this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button so that if I post new videos, you will be the first one to be notified. So guys, for me it's the first time to speak English. If I make mistakes, please correct me, because I accept that. And as you know, I hope when I start with explaining my tutorials, I start with the drums. After the drums, I will enter in the melody sections, explaining you how I created my vibes. And you can comment, you can say something in the comment sections about this instrumentals, if it was fine or if it had something missing. But for me, it's very good, and I think you are going to enjoy it if I play. Without talking too much, let us start with the drums. As you know, many of you they don't know how to use these programs. This program is very nice. This is a Reason 5. And then if you want to use this program, it has free plugins. All the plugins that I will be using here, they are native plugins. There are no external plugins. For people who use Purity, they know that they can use Expander, Purity, Nexus. But here, no, everything is for free. Just create your vibes, just create your melodies. Everything is free. Let us enter in the drums. So we do have our drums here. Let us play to see. We have a kick here. I duplicated the snares, and also there's a snare up here. And after the snares, I put something here that is a I think it's a hi-hat. Then after I played after I drew the drum section, I drew the strings. After I drew the string, I drew also another melody here from Subtractor. And after that, I drew another melody here, which is a flute from this plugin that is NN Zanovi. As you can see here, NN Zanovi. After this, I drew another melody here to coordinate with this flute, which is a guitar. After the guitar, I drew another melody here from this plugin, which you can see NN Dizanove. I think it's the organ. Okay, after I drew the organ, I had to copy these melodies which I showed you at first. I came and pasted them down here. Then after the melody, I drew the bass. It is very important for you to consider drawing the bass. Don't forget drawing the bass. In every beat you can find the bass. Bass is the melody which you mustn't, it's a must, you mustn't forget to draw in your beat, because it's very important. It creates vibes. You see, if you create the bass, it shows you that this is a part of choirs, this is a part of strophe, something like that. But don't forget. And another thing that I would like for you to know is that when you are creating your melody, you should consider coordinating. Coordination is very important. For example, if you play one guitar and you will look another plugin and look for a preset and draw another melody to coordinate. So don't play as playing everything which comes everything which comes in your mind. Just draw. No. It's very important for you to consider the coordination part. For example, if you look at this guitar which I draw it here, you will see that it's coordinating with another melody. For example, let us play these three melodies here. So guys, this was the tutorial for today's video. If you like these types of content, I would like for you to be the friend of this channel. I will post another videos as soon as you subscribe in my channel. If you have something else to add, if you notice something that is missing in this tutorial, you can comment in the comment section that I would like for that part to put something like this. I can. If you also like this beat, I will send you in your WhatsApp so that you can enjoy looking for something else. Guys, thank you very much for watching. This type of beat is mostly made in Malawi. I have friends there in Malawi that make these types of beats. If you also friends want this instrumental, just test me. I will give it for you for free. Thank you very much. Okay, goodbye.